Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you an up-close with the legendary Peugeot 504. Get ready to dive into the world of classic cars with the iconic Peugeot 504. The Peugeot 504 was first introduced in 1968 and quickly became a popular choice for families and businesses alike. With its sleek design and reliable performance, the 504 was a bestseller for over a decade. The car was even produced in various countries around the world, including Argentina, Nigeria, and Kenya. In fact, the Peugeot 504 was so popular in Africa that it was nicknamed the African Queen. The 504 also had a successful rally racing career, winning the East African Safari Rally 3 times in the 1970s. Today, the Peugeot 504 is considered a classic car and is highly sought after by collectors. It quickly became popular for its timeless design and reliable performance. The 504 was produced for over 30 years, making it one of Peugeot's longest-running models. It was even used as a taxi in many African countries due to its durability and comfort. The Peugeot 504 was offered with a range of engines including a 1.6L, 1.8L, 2.0L, and even a 2.1L diesel option. The engines in the Peugeot 504 were known for their reliability and durability, making them a popular choice among drivers. The 1.6L engine offered decent performance while the 2.0L and 2.1L diesel engines provided better fuel efficiency. The Peugeot 504 was also available with an optional automatic transmission. Today, the Peugeot 504 is considered a collector's item among car enthusiasts. If you're a fan of vintage cars, you won't want to miss this video on the Peugeot 504. This vintage beauty is a true gem for all car enthusiasts out there. From its sleek design to its powerful engine, the Peugeot 504 is a must-have for any car collector. Join me as I take you on a thrilling ride through the history and features of this legendary vehicle. The Peugeot 504's engine options catered to a variety of driving needs, making it a versatile choice for car enthusiasts. The Peugeot 504 suspension is known for its durability and smooth ride quality. With a combination of McPherson struts in the front and a live rear axle with coil springs, the suspension system provides a comfortable driving experience whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through rough terrain. The Peugeot 504 suspension can handle it all with ease. If you're a fan of classic cars or just interested in learning more about automotive engineering, stay tuned for more insights on the Peugeot 504 suspension system. With its timeless design and reliable performance, the Peugeot 504 is a favorite among car enthusiasts. Despite being a vintage car, the Peugeot 504 is surprisingly affordable to maintain and repair. Its spacious interior and comfortable ride make it a practical choice for daily commuting or weekend getaways. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a reliable vintage car, the Peugeot 504 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting content on classic cars.